In this video, I am sharing how to set up your planner as a creative journal. Hello, I'm Katie, and welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. Before we get started planning, I needed to organize this mess on my desk and these stickers that I have everywhere. And I wanted to share it with you because this Create Room cubby has made this part so easy for me. Everything has its own space in the cubbies. All of the boxes are labeled. And then planners I'm using go on the cart, planners I'm not using go on the shelf. And it makes life easy. Step 1, choose a planner. I decided to use my Rongrong I Can and I Will planner because it's so beautiful and artistic and colorful, and I thought it would be perfect for a creative journal. I've been thinking about this for a while, and I'm super excited to change my lineup to allow me to use this planner as a creative journal. Step 2, choose some pens. I like to use these Tombow dual brush pens and Tombow twin tone markers to use in my journal. Step 3 is to decorate your journal. And this week, since Friday, June 3rd is National Donut Day, yay! I'm going to decorate this week with a donut theme. I'm going to start with the month of June for decorating, and I've already decorated my monthly because this is going to be where I'm planning my month ahead. And then this will be the first week of June that we're going to use as a creative journal. So let's decorate the spread. Since this week is going to be a colorful spread with a donut theme, I thought using these colorful dates would look good with this spread. So another tip is to make sure you have all your tools in a handy case like this so that everything's in one place and you can super find it easy. So here's my top favorite tools to use. I'm just going to go ahead and grab them all out to get started. First off, since this is an undated planner, I added in some colorful dates across the top, and then I started off with washi tape. I have this adorable donut washi tape, so that was my inspiration to get started with. And then I added some Sassy Plans and some stickers from the Teacher and Student Sweet Life sticker books, which are a little bit older, but some of my faves. I trimmed the donuts in half to make them bullet points for notes at the top of each day. And then I went absolutely crazy with the donut stickers, as you can see. I really didn't leave myself very much space for writing, but I was just so excited about setting up this planner that I used a ton of stickers. At the bottom, I grabbed the Mega Boxes sticker book and added a little donut to a box for each day, so I have a little spot to write in a note. These stickers I just had in my stash. They're little glitter donuts. They are adorable. Step 4, write some notes in your journal. Now remember, there are no rules, so you can write about whatever you want. If you need some additional suggestions about what to write in your journal, consider joining my creative journaling class inside of the Planner School. Details are in the description box. The other pen you might want to use is this Tombow Fudenosuke small brush pen. Once you are good at practicing your hand lettering, then you can use this for lettering in your planner. So I'm just gonna letter in here, Donut Day. And I'm filming this on Monday the 30th, so I'm going to go ahead and pick up one of the twin tone markers and just write in some notes for today. I am still going to be using this planner to track my workouts, so I'm going to go ahead and write those in here too. Here are a few things that I will be journaling about in my creative journal. Gratitude, past, present, and future. All the things that you're grateful for that you have now, things that you want to have in the future, and things that you have already received. That is a great thing to journal about in your creative journal. Number 2, self-care. One of the things that I've been wanting to have more focus on, and we all probably should, is doing self-care activities and kind of paying attention to taking that time to do those things. So adding more self-care kind of activities into my schedule and into my journal is one of the top things I want to write about in my journal. Another idea is just to write about your day. Remember to try to keep things positive. So something you learned today, something you saw today, something you experienced, but try to keep it positive so that your journal is not a place to dump all the negative, but a place to reflect on the positive things in your life. Use your stickers as inspiration. This is going to be a gorgeous French, Parisian, Paris theme in my journal. I'm sure some of the stickers in here will inspire me. Like, for example, I love croissants. That's one of my favorite treats. So writing about things that make you happy, make you smile, use some of the inspiration from your stickers to put in your journal. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you are going to be journaling about in your creative journal. As always, details about these stickers and all the products that I'm using in this video, as well as about my creative journaling class, details are in the description box. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and I'll see you in the next one.